Hello. Today the House is voting on H.R. 3, the Lower Drug Costs Now Act. Like Americans across the country, Oregonians are demanding that Congress take action to address the outrageous and ever-increasing costs of life-saving prescription medications. With this vote today, the House is taking an important step. The Lower Drug Costs Now Act will ease the burden on seniors and working families who often face prescription prices so unaffordable that they're forced to choose between paying for necessary medications or putting food on the table. The bill empowers Medicare to bring down prices by negotiating directly with drug companies, and it also makes those lower rates available to Americans with private insurance. It drastically lowers the out-of-pocket limit for people on Medicare, and it significantly expands their benefits to include dental, vision, and hearing coverage. This legislation will save American households and businesses an estimated $160 billion, and the bill reinvests additional savings to research and new treatments and cures to improve access to health care in our communities and to combat the opioid crisis by funding addiction treatment. I am supporting H.R. 3 to stand with all Oregonians who are fighting for their health in the face of unreasonable and unfair drug prices. I've heard from too many constituents, like Rohan, a student from Beaverton, who relies on expensive insulin to manage his type 1 diabetes. Or Dave in Newberg, who wrote to me distressed about the thousands of dollars it costs to treat his wife's metastatic breast cancer. They're not the only ones who face this problem. Every year in Oregon, nearly 23,000 people are diagnosed with cancer, and right now there are more than 306,000 people living with diabetes in our state. Passing the Lower Drug Costs Now Act is a victory for families in Oregon like Rohan's and Dave's. But I will keep fighting in Congress until these policies become law and we finally bring drug costs under control for every family across the country.